We are exploring geopolymerization, an innovative process that convert industrial waste, especially iron ore tailing, into high value and eco-friendly construction material. Iron ore tailing or IoT are fine waste leftover from iron mining. This material, if used wisely, could revolutionize the sustainable construction. Let's find out how. Here is a jaw-dropping fact. In 2024 alone, the world produced over 2.4 billion tons of iron ore that create more than 600 million tons of iron ore tailing every year, enough waste to fill over 2 lakh Olympic swimming pools. For just one reason, Western Australia exported nearly 889 million tons last year. Imagine the untapped potential and the environmental risk. Now, let's look at India. In January 2025, iron ore production hit nearly 28 million tons, an 11% jump from last year. For the period from April 2024 to January 2025, cumulative production crossed 250 million tons. India stands among the world's top iron ore producers, generating an immense and ever growing volume of tailing. Now, unchecked, this tailing pose serious dangers. Catastrophic tailing dam failures, both globally and in India, have devastated rivers, ecosystem, and entire communities. The risk is real and growing, with every rainstorm threatening to trigger massive environmental disasters. Doing nothing is not an option. So, what makes iron ore tailing so valuable? They are rich in silica and alumina, the critical ingredient for geopolymers. By reacting these waste with the alkaline activators, we can produce strong cement like blinders. And here is the best part, the carbon footprint of these geopolymers is dramatically lower than ordinary Portland cement. Let's talk numbers. Recent lab study shows iron ore tailing based geopolymer concrete can achieve compressive strength of over 60 megapascals, often outperforming traditional cement. Even more remarkable, these geopolymers reach up to 80% of their total strength in just 24 hours, while ordinary concrete takes 28 days. That's transformative power. Now, the potential impact for India is staggering. If just 10% of India's annual tailing were repurposed, that would redirect over 25 million tons of hazardous waste into valuable construction products like eco bricks, tiles, and pavers. Not only does these cut environmental risk, it create safe, durable material from what we once a problem. To drive this transformation, there is a great scope for innovation. By blending iron ore tailing with a fly ash or slag, we can further improve strength and durability. Just add water. Geopolymer products could bring high performance construction to even the most remote concern. Our the every corner of India, it perform well. Surface modification can customize these geopolymers for road, bridges, and water infrastructure. Now, coming to the advanced value pathways, and we are talking now beyond buildings, the future holds even more value. Extracting high purity chemicals like potassium silicate boosts industrial value. Geopolymers can also safely trap toxic or radioactive waste and offer fire or radiation protection. Prefabricated IoT geopolymer blocks could be a game changer for India's affordable housing initiative. To sum up, if India used just 15% of its annual iron ore tailing in construction, landfill waste would drop by 37 million tons a year and CO2 emission would plummet. Test shows IoT geopolymer bricks made in India are 25% stronger and 20% less absorbent than standard bricks. 1 year's worth of tailing could rebuild homes lost to the major flood twice over. The message is clear: West can build our future.